Natural and body-generated EMF. Electrical and magnetic field EMF properties. Schumann resonance. The unknown connection between EMF and water. Part 2. Have you ever wondered how your phone actually works? Or how Wi-Fi connects without wires? And what about light? Have you ever stopped to think about what it really is? The answer to all these questions revolves around one fascinating phenomenon: electromagnetic waves, also known as EMF. In this video, we dive deeper into the world of EMF. We'll explain what it is, how it works, and why it's an essential part of our daily lives. So keep watching and discover how this invisible force shapes our world. An electromagnetic wave, or EMF, is a movement of electric and magnetic fields that travel through space at the speed of light, about 300,000 kilometers per second. This is the same speed at which waves such as light, radio waves, and even your mobile phone signals move. So EMF waves are all around us, even though we may not always notice them. The first property of an electromagnetic wave is its amplitude. This determines how strong the wave is. Imagine a wave. The distance from the midpoint to the highest point is called the amplitude. A low amplitude means less energy, like weak radio signals. A high amplitude means more energy, like powerful radiation. The second property is frequency, measured in hertz. This indicates how often a wave oscillates in 1 second. A low frequency, like radio waves, can travel long distances, while high frequencies, like X-rays, contain more energy. In this example, EMF waves are shown with a frequency of 5 hertz. That means 5 waves per second, traveling at the constant speed of light. So the wave density has increased by a factor of 5. Wi-Fi at 5 gigahertz means this EMF wave makes 5 billion cycles per second. Additionally, an important aspect of an electromagnetic wave is that it has 2 inseparable components: an electric field and a magnetic field. These fields do not move independently, but are closely connected. The electric field oscillates in one direction, while the magnetic field is perpendicular to it, meaning it oscillates in a different direction that's at right angles to the electric field. Here's how the vertical electric field, coupled with the magnetic field, moves together in a linear motion. Not all electromagnetic waves are the same. We can roughly divide them into 2 categories: natural and technologically generated EMF. Natural EMF has existed for billions of years and is part of our world. Think of the Earth's magnetic field, which protects us from harmful radiation from space, or the Schumann resonance, a natural frequency of the Earth. The main source of Schumann resonances is worldwide lightning strikes. On average, there are 50 lightning discharges per second. The electric current from each discharge causes a pulse of electromagnetic radiation that propagates through the atmosphere. Because the ionosphere reflects the pulses back to the Earth's surface, and the surface reflects them back to the ionosphere, the pulses become trapped in the atmosphere. As a result, the waves, with a frequency of around 7 times per second, speed of light or circumference, keep traveling around the Earth. The atmosphere acts as a hollow space where resonances occur due to standing waves. The wavelength of the lowest standing wave is equal to the circumference of the Earth. Frequencies around 7.83 Hz are especially amplified, but 14.3 Hz, 20.8 Hz, 27.3 Hz, and 33.8 Hz are also present. These values can fluctuate due to varying conditions in the atmosphere. In geobiology, the Schumann resonance is considered an important natural electromagnetic field that can influence human well-being. The human body itself is also a source of weak electromagnetic fields. These are generated by your heart, which creates a strong electromagnetic field, and by your brain, where electrical signals are responsible for our thoughts, emotions, and bodily functions. These biological fields play a crucial role in how our body functions and reacts to its environment. The idea that external electromagnetic influences, such as the Schumann resonance or artificial sources, might interact with these fields, makes this subject even more relevant. What happens when this delicate balance is disrupted? What positive or negative effects does EMF have on us? That's exactly what many researchers are focusing on. Technologically generated EMF is relatively new. These waves are produced by devices such as 4G to 5G cell towers, phones, computers, Wi-Fi, high-voltage power lines, electricity grids, etc. They make our lives easier, but there are also concerns about potential health effects from prolonged exposure, such as sleep problems. This was part 2 of our series, The Unknown Connection Between EMF and Water. Curious to learn more? Visit our website for deeper insights and exclusive content. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss any of our future content. Share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.